Teresa Freed with Johnson County Government. It's our goal to stop the spread of COVID-19 in our community. We also want to make sure you have the latest information on our efforts. For data on how COVID-19 is impacting the county, visit our dashboard on jocogov.org.
Hi, I'm Dr. Joe LeMaster, local health officer, public health officer for Johnson County. What about going to a gym or center where you're going to work out? So the current situation is that gyms and other centers of that nature are all open. People can go in them and use them. If you're in there and you're working out individually, the governor's order specifically says if you're inside of a public space, you should be wearing a mask unless you're in an organized athletic activity. We would consider working out in a gym where you are there under permission of the people that are there to be an organized activity at the time that you're doing that. However, if you're less than 6 feet from other people working out, then that changes the nature of that and you should be wearing a mask. What about sports activities where there are organized groups of people, sort of playing basketball, playing baseball, that sort of thing? Specifically, it's different if it's inside versus if it's outside. Outside activities, clearly, if there's more than 6 feet between people, other than incidental or momentarily getting closer to another person, the governor's order says that mask wearing is not necessary in that situation. If you're inside practicing with other people in sports activities, and that it's not possible to participate in that sport activities without people being crowded together for long periods of time, then they should be wearing a mask or not doing the activity. If the activities are such that inside people are always more than 6 feet apart except for momentarily coming back together, a good example of this would be playing basketball, that in that sort of situation, that wearing of a mask, it doesn't make sense if you're doing it, and it also is accepted by the governor's, the exceptions in the governor's order. That does not give a pass to spectators who are sitting in the area, or also people who are sitting on the sidelines who are not actively participating at the time. All those people presumably are inside, not participating in the sport activity itself, and they need to be wearing a mask.
For more information about COVID-19 in Johnson County, visit jocogov.org/coronavirus. You can also subscribe to a daily e-newsletter with the latest data and precautions being taken in the county and state.